How to earn money on WeCash. Are you guys facing issues to earn money on WeCash application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To earn money with WeCash application, first of all, open WeCash on a mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, you can see multiple tags available at this section. If you want to earn $20, then just simply tap on that certain application. Once you tap on the app, you can see this option or where you can see this all these missions that you have to accomplish in order to receive the money. So you need to download this app called Forest Cleaner on Android. Just simply tap on. Once you click on on, you will be forwarded to this page. Now in this section you need to download that application. As soon as you download the application, you need to reach that certain level that you have listed on the WeCash application. Once you complete that certain level or reach that certain level, you will be able to get that money. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna earn money on WeCash. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.